download Pinterest videos directly to your iPhone. Whether you want to save a DIY tutorial, a cooking video, or aesthetic content, this guide will help you get it done. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Pinterest app on your iPhone and find the video you want to download. Make sure it's a video pin, not just an image or GIF. Once you've found it, tap on the share icon on the bottom right of the pin. After tapping the share icon, choose Copy Link from the list of options. This copies the Pinterest video URL to your clipboard. Now open Safari or any browser on your iPhone and go to a trusted Pinterest video downloader site. Now once there, in the downloader, paste the link into the search box and hit download. Be careful, don't click on pop-up ads or fake download buttons. Stick to the main download link. Once the site processes the video, it will show you a download video button or force download video. Simply tap force download and you'll see a pop-up asking if you want to download the file. Tap save. You will be asked where you want the video to saved. Choose files and tap save. Now once done, go to the Files app to open it. And this is your saved video just at the top. Well, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.